Hey guys, what's up? It's Ivy here, bringing you practical tips and tools to help you succeed in your immigration process and in life. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell because I will be answering your immigration questions and sharing weekly tips and strategies on how to succeed in your immigration applications. So let's get into the video. Today's question is, what do I do when my green card application has been denied? Well, before I can answer that, I have to know, why did your green card application get denied? What was the reason? The USCIS usually sends a letter with the reason for denial. So today I'm going to quickly share with you 5 reasons why your green card application got denied and some tips and tools on how to fix it and have a more successful green card application. So keep watching. And don't forget, this video is not legal advice. Yeah. Reason number 1 why your green card application got denied: because you failed to prove bona fide marriage. If you are applying for a green card through marriage and your marriage was less than 2 years, there's usually a high burden to prove that the marriage you are claiming for immigration benefit is actually a real marriage and not just for immigration benefit. So my tip on how to fix this is to gather enough supporting documents before you apply for your green card. Just get yourself a box, an Amazon box, or just an empty box in your house, and throw in there every receipt, every letter, every communication between you and your spouse, and use that for your application. Also, since you're a new marriage and maybe you're not able to get on every legal document, maybe like the bills and stuff like that, you can provide your gym memberships, you can provide affidavits from your friends and family who know about the marriage as a supporting document to show that the marriage is real. That's one way to fix that. The second reason why your green card got denied is because of criminal convictions. Crimes like drug trafficking, money laundering, could make you ineligible to apply for a green card. So if you are not sure what types of criminal convictions you have on your records, I strongly suggest that you contact a criminal attorney and an immigration attorney. I will be happy to speak with you about that to determine whether the crimes that you have on your record would make you ineligible and whether you can qualify to apply for a cancellation of removal. Reason number 3 why your green card application got denied is because you failed to pass the public charge test. The public charge test became effective February 24th of 2020. It's a test that the USCIS uses to determine whether an immigrant is going to be a public charge in the future. The USCIS will look at the age of the applicant, will look at the health history of the applicant, and will look at your assets and also your education level. A person who failed to provide, for example, a transcript or failed to show health insurance could most likely fail this test. It's not really, there's no one reason to fail the test. It's just a totality of the circumstances. If you weren't able to show that the applicant will not become a public charge in the future, you would most likely be denied for this reason. There may be a chance for you to reopen your case or ask the USCIS to reconsider your evidence. However, you would need to contact an attorney to determine the exact reason why you failed the public charge test. Reason number 4 why your green card application got denied is because you failed your green card interview, either because you did not attend or you failed to answer the questions correctly. The purpose of the interview is for the agent to ask you questions about your application, for you to prove that you are who you say you are, provide original copies of your birth certificate and just other supporting documents that you had in your application and more. If you fail to show up, that's like a red flag to the agency. If you fail to show up, maybe it shows you're not interested in your green card. So that could lead to a denial. Now, my tip, make sure to figure out when your interview date is, and if you cannot attend for whatever reason, maybe you're sick or your spouse is sick, contact the USCIS to let them know that you will not be able to attend your interview instead of just missing it without letting anyone know. Reason number 5 why your green card got denied is because you failed to respond in a timely manner and accurately to your request for evidence. A request for evidence is usually sent to an applicant for clarification or just for additional evidence to support the application. It's not a bad thing. In fact, I think it's the best thing because it's better than being denied. So if your application is lacking something, instead of a straight denial, the USCIS gives you an opportunity to respond. And if you don't do that within the time frame, and if you don't actually respond to everything on the letter, you could still get denied, because this means that the decision was made on the prior information that you had, and obviously that was not enough. That's why you got an RFE. If you fail to respond, you will most likely get a denial for your green card application. If you liked this video, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified of when I go live to answer your immigration questions one-on-one. I'm excited to answer your questions in the comments, so leave a comment and I'll see you next week. Bye. Don't forget, this video is not legal advice.